Did you know there's over 100 videos in the Husqvarna Viking Designer Brilliance 80? There is. I'm going to show you a few things that you'll need to know of where to find them, and then also just how to play them and get back to them. Of course, with our 80 plus YouTube videos on this machine, plus all the videos built in to the machine, you are guaranteed to be able to find the information that you are looking for. So one thing nice is when you are in the sewing screen, or if you've just turned the machine on, you're looking at a screen that starts with the Joy OS Advisor and the User's Guide. So in all of these different technique areas that you're in, or the embroidery, or even the knowledge center, as you go around to all these different categories and see what it's actually showing you, there are lots of different things of even projects that are in here. Here is a friendship braid cushion. Looks like some paper piecing and such. There was information on there. But let me show you where the videos you might be. So like when you come into this screen, you're usually on basic sewing techniques. Just the dimensional stitches alone have videos for each of these techniques, very exclusive stitches to this machine. How to put zippers in, obviously a great place to show a video and not just have you read how to do it. So let's just go to dimensional stitches. How about the applique stitches? So when you're in here, this part pops up. Now wherever you last were in how you viewed this, I like to view it kind of in the lower part of my screen, so that's how it comes up. Some of you might enjoy having it on the side of the screen, the left or the right, or at the top, or you can actually say full screen. Actually, let's do full screen is right here. There you go. And so now I can see all those. The only thing here is that you have to kind of minimize it and then pull it back up. But let's look for a video. So as you're going down, you've got some basic list of materials, you arrow down, and then towards the end, it will probably have, you're looking for this little play symbol on a picture. So when you touch that, that's when the video comes up and it'll start to play. Notice there is no sound to the videos that are built in. That would be quite a job to have all the different languages. So it is just an animation. You do have where you can make it bigger, so even just this whole screen, so it can actually eliminate all the other things around it, so you can see just the video. And you can also put it on a loop, so it would then start over as you go. You can slide this little bubble to start again, or fast forward it to the part that you really can't remember how that technique is supposed to be done. So once it is done, you can push pause, you can X out, and then again, because this is full screen, I can either bring it so it sits back down at the bottom part. Now some of you might be asking, well, why is my letters so much bigger than yours? I have gone ahead and touched the A+. The A- has smaller fonts, and then if you just bring it right back up to the A+, that's so I can read it, and you can read it a little bit easier. When I'm done, I can just minimize that, and then from that technique, these were the applique stitches, and so it actually takes me to just the applique stitches, and when I pick one, that is the technique that all 13 of those stitches will actually do. So we're going up to the Joy OS Advisor. And so any of these areas are going to have videos in it. So I do encourage you to take some time, look around, even how to make a collar. Well, what kind of collar? A rolled collar or a shirt collar with a stand. We've got different hems and edge finishes. We've got necklines. Just start to play with this machine, explore it. There's probably more in here than you think that there is. But just note that you're looking for that play symbol for your video. And when you're ready to just get back to normal, just push down in that bottom corner that Start New.